Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study 6th grade math step by step. Begin with a simple plan. Pick one chapter, list 3 goals, and schedule 2 30-minute sessions this week. Focus on core skills like fractions, ratios, and integers, then practice 5 problems each session. Track progress with a checklist and celebrate small wins to stay motivated and build steady confidence in math. In this video, I will explain how to study 6th grade math step by step. Use mixed practice sets that combine fraction word problems, ratio tasks, and basic algebra to strengthen thinking. Time short quizzes of 10 to 15 minutes to improve focus and simulate classroom tests. After each quiz, spend one session correcting errors and rewriting solutions to turn errors into reliable learning and confidence boosters for future exams. In this video, I will explain how to study 6th grade math step by step. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more study guides. On another note, quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes math reading comfortable on the go and stores practice ebooks neatly for study sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study 6th grade math step by step. Combine textbook practice with short video lessons for alternate explanations when a concept stalls. Use flashcards for key terms and a dedicated notebook for formulas and sample problems to review before tests. Organize resources by topic and revisit them weekly so concepts like 1/4 or 16:9 ratios stay familiar and usable during homework and quizzes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.